So we'll start off here at the front door. I've got this fall wreath that I got from Ross. And then here is what you see when you walk through the front door. So here's the front door that we just walked in. There's a rug I have down there from Walmart, and then I've got this little plant here in the corner. These are fake fiddle-leaf fig trees, just little ones from Walmart in a Hobby Lobby pot. And then here I have this, I guess you would call this a desk here in this entryway area, and I filmed a whole video about how I gave this a makeover. I'll link that down below. I love how it turned out. This is white chalk paint that I painted it with, and then I did some distressing on it. So I didn't do a ton of fall decor up here. So I didn't do a ton of specific fall decor up here, but I feel like that the farmhouse decor that I have up here looks sort of fallish. So I have this candle over here. This is from Big Lots. It smells really good. It's sugar sweet pumpkin. And all of these decorations are from Hobby Lobby, I believe. That's one of my favorite stores to shop at. These cotton stems, I have these out year round, but yet they make great fall decorations as well. I have this big cloth chevron pumpkin from the Target dollar spot. I love that. That's one of my favorite fall finds so far this year. And then I have 3 of these little pumpkins. These come in a big bag from the Target dollar spot for $3. So here's a little overview of that area. Okay, so when you turn around, you can see the living room area here. And we've got a double-sided fireplace here. I just recently did a full detailed living room tour. I'll link that video down below as well. You guys can go and see that if you want to know details, but we've got the fireplace here. My 2 fiddly fig trees are from nearlynatural.com. Got a basket with a little pillow in and a wall hanging, and there's the side door that goes out to the carport. You can see out to the carport, there's our truck out through that window. These curtains are from IKEA. This rug is from wayfair.com. I always have to say that because I get so many questions. Then we've just got the couches. I recently got these pillow covers from Hobby Lobby. There's that other fiddly fig tree there in the corner. The baskets are from Hobby Lobby. The sign, like I said, Hobby Lobby is my favorite place to shop at. The side tables, the pedestal ones, which I love, are from Hobby Lobby, and the lamp. So the only fall decor that I have in this room is right here in the middle of this coffee table. I switched out the greenery that I had in here for this greenery. I shared that in my Decorate With Me video for fall. This is from Hobby Lobby. I just felt like this greenery looked more like fall than the other greenery that I had. And this is something that I can use year round as well. And down here, these little white pumpkins, like I said, I got these in a pack from the Target dollar spot. This metal thing I got 90% off at Hobby Lobby. These like branch bunches, I'm not really sure what you would call these. I got these from Hobby Lobby last year. They have a ton of this kind of stuff there right now, and it is 40% off. It probably should go 50% off soon. And I have more of these little white pumpkins, another one of those bunches. So like you can see, I just kind of did like touches of fall here and there. I didn't go like crazy all over the house with fall decorations. I just did a few touches. Now for Christmas time, I go a little bit more crazy with the decorations, and I usually will decorate throughout the whole house because I love Christmas. And our fireplace has this weird thing here on the end, which it's actually to stack wood in, and Kyle used to use it as his hideout, but now we keep all of our workout stuff in there because we usually work out here in the living room. So here's the view into the living room when you're standing over here. There's the front door that we came in, back there's the hallway where the bedrooms are, and over there to the left is the kitchen. So now turning over here, I've got this little mirror right here, and then we go into this other like living room area. Right here, this section is kind of like our movie and game watching area. We've got a couch here. This is not the comfiest couch, so I won't go into details about it. This white blanket here, and this clock up here on the wall is new. I just got that from Walmart. And we did this wood accent wall a couple of months ago, and now that it's done, I'm kind of wishing that I would have did like a white shiplap wall. I think that it just kind of makes the room really dark with this dark wood on the wall, but it looks really neat, so we'll just leave it up there. And then we've got, of course, the screen and all the Xbox and all that kind of stuff, speaker. And then there's another window with those IKEA curtains. Here I've got this little entryway area set up here because, like I said, this door goes out to the carport, so we're constantly coming in and out this door. This is basically the only door that we use and that guests use as well. So it's nice to have a little like entryway area here. I've got a little basket from Hobby Lobby. This table's from Hobby Lobby. It's nice to have this little tin on here. We can just throw our sunglasses and the keys in. Got a little lamp on there. Basically everything's from Hobby Lobby. That wreath is from Target. I'll give you a little peek out the side door, why not? Here is our view out the side door, just the carport, the truck. We've got the mountains in the distance and the fields. So now heading over this way, we've got that other side of the fireplace. I've got the humidifier here, and then this is Kyle's little table where he does his preschool, he does his coloring. These little white chairs, they're like pushed way under there, but those are from IKEA, and this table is the LAC table from IKEA, and it's actually the LAC coffee table. It's supposed to have a second shelf underneath of it, but I just took that second shelf out and it just makes the perfect kids table. And I've got his crayons in this little carrier from Hobby Lobby, and then a little basket with Owen's toys in. Keep all of their toys back in Owen's room like I'm going to show you later, and then if they want to bring anything out here to play with, they just bring it out here, so that way we don't have to have a ton of toys stored out here. Here you can see into the kitchen, and then over on the other side of this kitchen wall is like our little office setup. A collage wall going on up here, and it's not crooked, my camera is just going crooked on me there, but I'm not really loving this collage wall anymore. I would rather have like 3 giant family pictures up there or something, but there's so many holes in the wall behind all those pictures. I'm one of those people who put like 5 holes in the wall for 1 picture. Yeah, so I just don't want to have to deal with that, so I'll just leave it up there for now. This desk is from IKEA. We love how roomy it is, and we used to have a brown desk over here if you've seen my last house tour. Now that's sitting over here because it's currently posted for sale, and nobody wants to buy it yet because nobody wants to drive out where we live. We live out in the middle of nowhere, so hopefully we can sell that soon so I can get it out of here. So this desk is where I do all of my YouTube work and my editing. My husband does some online gaming. We do some online work on here as well. I've got my cello there in the corner, some more of those IKEA curtains, and this window looks out to our backyard where the swing set is and stuff. Now this is just a keyboard, and this used to be my mom's keyboard, but she sent it out to Arizona with me. I moved from Pennsylvania to Arizona when I married my husband. Love to have a baby grand piano, but it would just take up like this whole room, so maybe in our future house I can have a piano. So now we'll walk this way, and there's the front door that we came in, just so you can kind of get a gauge of where you're at. There's the living room over there, and this is a little closet where I keep like my brooms and my mops. And there's the hallway that goes back to the bedrooms, and then here we've got our little dining room area. I've got my table and chairs here. The table is from Grainwood Furniture, and the chairs are in a 4-pack from Amazon. And here before you walk into the kitchen, we've got this little countertop. I have some greenery kind of hiding what's behind the fridge. I don't know why they put the fridge here. Like if I could rework this kitchen, I'd put the fridge like over there or something, because you walk into the kitchen, it's like all you see is this giant fridge. This little metal basket I got on clearance at Walmart for like $3. I usually keep mints in this little glass jar, keep tissues here. This is my little Bluetooth speaker for music when I'm cleaning. And here straight ahead, I've got my coffee station and these shelves above it. Most of the decorations and the shelves are from Hobby Lobby. And that door is my pantry. So I've got a little bit of fall decor here on the table. This little Give Thanks pumpkin, this was from Hobby Lobby. And then the stem of cotton I already had, and I just stuck it there. And I won't go into too much detail in the kitchen because I also have a detailed kitchen tour that I recently did, and I'll link that down below as well if you want more details. But here I'll give you a quick overview of my coffee station. I put this little pumpkin down here. It was left over after I was done decorating, so I thought, oh, it'll look cute here. So I stuck it here beside all my teas. I love having these open shelves in the kitchen. It's really fun to be able to decorate the open shelves and to switch them out for the seasons. Up on the top, these little candlesticks my mom got me, the baskets from Hobby Lobby. And then down here I put some fall decor. I recently did a fall decorate with me, and I got a lot of people asking about this Give Thanks sign. This was from Hobby Lobby. And then these little cloth pumpkins, these were only $1 from the Target dollar spot. And this wooden pumpkin that says Count Your Blessings, this was from Hobby Lobby. And then up here I have another one of those soft pumpkins, and then these pumpkins I showed in my fall decorate with me how I gave these a makeover. These used to be orange, and I just painted them with some white chalk paint. And that is how those shelves are looking currently. Like coffee station area is probably my favorite area in the kitchen, and I do have some battery operated twinkle lights up there. So here's a little overview of the main part of the kitchen. I had to shut the blinds because the light was glaring really bad, but we just got the fridge here like I said, stove, dishwasher, sink. Not too much has changed in here since my kitchen tour, except I did get some new decor for up here. I got this little chicken from my mom, this basket, and this sign, and then these 2 decorations are new. Those are from Hobby Lobby as well. And then in here is the laundry room, and I also have, I feel like every room that I go into I say this, but I also have a detailed tour of my laundry room, and I also show you how I gave it a makeover. This room used to look completely different, but I took some cabinet doors off the walls. I repainted the whole thing, reconfigured it. I'll link that video down below. I shared all the details in that video. So we've got a closet here, the freezer, washer, dryer. I won't go into too much detail. I keep my vacuum hung up there. This is where I took those doors off of the cabinet to do some open shelving. Yeah, and this door goes out to the backyard. You can see the trees back there in the cornfield. Those are pecan trees. So that is a little overview of the laundry room. And I'll give you one last overview of the kitchen. This backsplash is from Lowe's. I do always get a lot of questions about that. And this sign from Hobby Lobby. Got our knife set there in the corner. So here's the view when you're standing in the kitchen. I'm standing beside the coffee station right now. Here's the view that you see. You can see both sides of the fireplace, the living room, and then this area over here as well. Now we're back over at that front door again and this entryway table. And so now here is the hallway that goes back to the bedrooms and the bathrooms. But right here we've got this closet. This is where we keep all of our coats, and we keep the vacuum and the ironing board, all that kind of stuff we keep in there. One thing this house does have is a lot of closets. In here is our master bedroom, and I recently did a full detailed tour of our bedroom and I showed you how we gave it a makeover. So I'll link that video down below. Not much has changed in here since then, so I won't go into too much detail. I'll just give you a quick overview. Straight ahead we have the bed underneath the window, nightstands, lamps, mirrors. And here we've got our dresser. And here's our closet, and it isn't two separate closets. This is all one closet. So the closet starts at this wall and it goes all the way to that wall. It's very spacious and there is lots of room in there. So my side is like from here to there, and my husband's side is like from here to there. But that's how it usually goes, right? We've got this full-length mirror here that we finally hung up on the wall. When I did my last house tour, we just had it leaning up against the wall. And then we also do have a master bathroom, but it's really small. But at least we have a master bathroom. I am grateful for that. So here's a little peek into there. This door actually goes out into the laundry room. This is just easy access into the kitchen, right? And here's the laundry room. And that wall needs painted because we had electrical problems. They had to rip out half the wall, so it had to get respackled, and yeah, it was the whole thing. Now I gotta repaint it. And I actually showed how I gave this bathroom a makeover. This bathroom had a dramatic makeover. I'll link that video down below. And that is pretty much it for our bedroom. Ignore the sweeper in the hallway. I just got done vacuuming in here before I filmed this. That's real life. I just want to make sure it looked nice for this video. But yeah, if you want to see more details about this room, then I'll link that detailed room tour down below, and where I show you how I gave it a makeover. So here on the wall, I have this wall hanging. Here's a little closer look at it. I think it was like $4 on clearance at Walmart. This is another storage closet. I just keep extra sheets, extra blankets, all that kind of stuff in there. And then in here straight ahead is the guest bathroom, and this is also the boys' bathroom. So I have sort of an ocean theme going on in here, and to be honest, I don't really love this bathroom anymore. I'm not a fan of the blue walls anymore, but I don't really feel like painting the whole bathroom and giving it a makeover, so I'm just gonna leave it the way that it is. And then here is the sink area. I just have a little candle here, some hand soap. I try to keep the counter pretty clutter-free. Have most of the boy stuff in this drawer, like Kyle's toothbrush, toothpaste. This is from Hawaii. Got a little jar of shells here, and then a box of tissues. That is pretty much it for this bathroom. Now we'll walk back out into the hallway. So now I'll show you Owen's room. Here's what you see when you first walk in the door. To the right is his closets, and then over here to the left is the window. Straight ahead I have the crib. Over here on this wall I have a little collage, and then I use this cube storage thing for a changing table, but I also keep all of their toys in these pull-out drawers. So all of the boys' toys are in here, and some of them are in their closet as well. Like I said, the boys aren't moved in together yet, but I do have all of their toys in this room and all of their clothes. It works really great to keep toys organized. This has been like the best thing ever, because if they want to take a certain type of toys out to the living room, they can just grab one of these bins and carry it out there. Well, Kyle can. Owen can't carry one of these bins out there, but it just works great for that. And then in these I have Owen's diapers and then extra blankies. I like this little basket that I got from Hobby Lobby to keep all of Owen's essentials in there. And then I've got the changing pad here. Keep a little laundry basket over there, their basket of toys. We got a basket of books, but I did just get some IKEA shelves. I'm gonna put them up on the wall so that I can have all of their books displayed on on the wall. Right now I just have one shelf up there. And in this closet is storage, all of their clothes, and also some more of their toys. And that is it for Owen's room, and eventually it will be Kyle's room too. Okay, so we were just in Owen's room, and now we're gonna go over here to Kyle's room, and I'm slowly turning Kyle's room into more of an office slash guest room. If you watched my previous house tour, this shelf used to be out in the living room, but now I moved it back here. This room has 2 closets, which is really handy. I store a lot of stuff in here, and that lantern is just stored back here for now because I don't know where to put it. And Kyle just keeps his Legos there on his side table. So that's pretty much it for this room. So this door is another closet, but it actually has a little basement underneath of it. It's a super small basement. I mean, probably not any bigger than the closet itself. And I'll give you a little peek in here, just warning you, this closet's kind of crazy looking. I just keep like random boxes in here, and we've got like the Christmas tree back behind there. I keep my Christmas wreaths hanging up there. I'm not sure what that is there on the floor. It's just stained. It's been like that since we moved into the house. It's not dirty, but you can kind of see down into that basement right here. If you move away all these boxes and you lift up this floor, then you can get down into that very creepy basement. So that is it for this fall house tour. It ended up being a full house tour, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!